You may not know this about me, but I'm a very sentimental dog. I cry easily. Onions, for example, always make me cry. Oh, I'll admit I split bananas, take Easter eggs and make them die, but I never harmed an onion, so why should they make me cry? Once I saw a salad dressing. My face got radish, my. But I never harmed an onion, so why should they make me cry? Potatoes I've mashed and berries I've crushed. I made an artichoke, and that's not all. I've also whipped cream and beaten an egg. Yes, I've even made a melon ball. Of all things above, I'm guilty. If punished, I would know just why. But I never harmed an onion, so why should they make me cry? Oh, why should they make me cry?